Welcome to today's seated desk stretch, cat cows, one of my favorites, and so many benefits for posture and balance, for stretching and strengthening, and gently massaging and stimulating the organs inside the belly. So let's take an inhale, reach the arms up high, and exhale, pushing the arms out in front of you like you're pushing against a wall, fingers open, shoulders drawn back and down. Engage the center, pressing the belly button towards the spine. And inhale, shoulders roll back, arching the back, chin looking up towards the ceiling, heart shining high for cow. And exhale, rolling the shoulders, tucking the chin towards the chest, rolling and tucking the belly button in for cat. And repeat, inhale, rolling shoulders back, arching, just do what feels right for you. And exhale, rolling and tucking and pushing away. And just repeat one more time in your own time and hearing my words silently to yourself. I am energized. I am stretching. I am shining. And inhale, coming back to center, and exhale, float the arms back down.